Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Going further with the series of signal videos, in today's video, you will get to know about Gurudev's 14th signal. Those who have not yet watched Gurudev's earlier signal videos can watch them now by clicking this signal videos playlist link, which is available in description box and on end screen also. 2 weeks after the appearance of the 13th signal, one day when Guruji was sitting in meditation, a state of complete silence and stillness emerged in him, and he had a strange experience. Guruji felt as if there were two bodies in him. One was the outer body, which he always thought to be himself, but inside that body there was another body, which was quite different and was made up of pure light. The external body was heavy, dark, and was prone to quick tension and disturbances. Its ego part had all the images, thoughts, and emotions. The inner body, on the other hand, was weightless and was surrounded by light. It was completely stable and had no images, thoughts, or emotions. It was calm, unshakable, and completely at rest. It seemed that the two bodies had got separated from each other. The outer dark cover of the body was separating from the inner body of light. Guruji felt that he was the inner body of light and his outer cover was fake. Be still and realize you are God. This was the sentence which he remembered in that state. He also remembered various statues of Lord Buddha in that state of stillness. In that state of stillness, his inner body was surrounded by light, more often by pure white light, but sometimes by deep red or crimson color light. Another aspect of this experience was, as long as he felt to be the inner body, it was absolute stillness. But the moment he got connected with the outer cover, he came into this world with all the images, ideas, and emotions working in him. This gave him an idea that there are two bodies and thus two worlds in us. After many years of meditation, we can live in both the bodies and in both the worlds. This was the 14th signal for Gurudev. To know about Guruji's other signals, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.